Okay, guys, here we have is our GBP JPY, by the way. So we would want to predict this price for this week, and how this price will be moving for this week, right? Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I will watch out for it. So to be able to predict this move properly, I want us to actually start from the monthly time frame, from the higher time frame, then we'll go down to the 1 hour time frame, and why we would place such trade. Now take a look at this monthly time frame. This was a movement that happened, I think, around 2016, right? Now price actually rose up, then dropped to the same level, close to the same level. Then I think also it was around 2020 that we started having this bullish move, right? So if we take a look at this movement properly, we would see that on this monthly time frame, GBP to JPY has actually been bullish, right? The price has been, it's an uptrend move, and if you zoom in properly, I've added this moving average here, which is 10. I'm using 10 period moving average. We all consider the price is still above 10 period moving average. So if you want to take this trade on the monthly time frame, possibly by the time this year end or next year, we should be able to see that this price should be above here. So above all, on the monthly time frame, it is a bullish move. Price is going up. We clearly can see that we are on an uptrend move since the price is still below above 10 period moving average. So clearly we are on an uptrend move. So I've highlighted this level top here. You see that price came to this level multiple times. We saw it actually came to this level and it's rejected. The reason why we had this huge candlestick week here, one, it also came to this same level again, rejected it. The reason why we had this huge candlestick week here that rejected, that is two, and the third time it's happened this level again, it's rejected. I think it happened, it wasn't last week or last week. It actually came to this level, then it's rejected, right? Now take a look at this price. This is when I highlighted it, and I also highlighted this level here. We can see that at this level, price is still reacting within this level here, within this area. We saw once price came to this level here, right? Then we had a pullback on this monthly time frame, then a breakout actually occurred, and ever since then price has been failing to break out of this level. So once it drop, it will actually come to the same level, drop again, come to the same level. So price has been failing to actually break out. So the uptrend move yet has not yet continued. I think it is still on. It's still on a pause, by the way, so it has not yet started. But within this area here, within this area top level and this level that I've highlighted here, the price is still within this area, kind of ranging. If you want to say that, well, price is still fluctuating within this level here. So monthly time frame, we are on an uptrend move, but the uptrend move has not yet started to give us that bullish move yet, because the price is still fluctuating at a certain level on the monthly time frame. Now we would go down to the weekly time frame. Now this weekly time frame, this is what I want you guys to pay attention to. You see, this is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level. It is more visible on the monthly time frame where I highlighted this level. We saw price actually came to this level once, dropped, came to this level twice, and the third time it happened. Once the price actually broke out of it, we all know price do react at a certain level. The price came to test this level, it pushes up. Also price came to test this level, and it's actually broke below it, right? I think we had it about 3 weeks ago. Once price broke below this level, we actually had a drop. That was the time, in the period where the GBP, the pound, actually got to its lowest price, by the way. So then the price actually corrected itself, right? It has gone up. So it's now we can clearly see that this week that just passed, once the week that just finished, price actually went bullish, right? And now the price is actually dropping. So this GBP JPY, I still believe that would actually drop to this same level here. Also know that price is actually reacting at this same level here. You can see this huge candlestick wick here. We saw price came here, also price came to the same level, so price is reacting at this level, right? So this week, by the way, you see this week that just ended, price is at this same level, right? So this week I still believe that price will actually break below it and drop. So that is exactly what we will be seeing on this GBP JPY. Now take a look at this weekly time frame. The price is now below the 10 period moving average, so price has just broken below it. Now that will now take us to the daily time frame, so we need to predict this price movement this week. Now if you take a look at this movement here, you can see that price has been reacting here, like price has been dropping to this same level. So price has dropped to this same level. I know what will be in your mind is that the price will actually start giving us that bullish move. Well, I don't think so. I believe that price will actually drop here. The reason is that you are going to take a look at this JPY index to be able to understand this movement itself. Now this is our JPY index, right? Now I want you guys to pay attention to this movement here. This was around 09. It's around September, 09, 27 of September. You can see 0927, right? We've been having this bearish move. We've seen this drop to this level, right? If you take a look at this same movement on this GBP, you will see on this 0927, that period when our JPY index has been giving us that bearish move. It was that same period the GBP has been going up, meaning as JPY has been dropping, then the pairs to our JPY will definitely go bullish. So GBP is one of the pairs we are analyzing to our JPY. So we clearly see that there was a bullish move on this GBPJPY. Now take a look at this JPY index. This was around 10:05. It was this same period we are having a bullish move on JPY index, right, at around a period of 10:05. Now take a look at this GBP JPY. This is a period of 10:05 also. This price is now dropping, right? I know what will be in your mind is that okay, this price will drop, go up, but definitely it won't. It will actually drop to this same level. So take out this level here. The reason is that if you go back to our JPY index, if price is now rolling up again to this our resistance level, right? Now take a look at this movement to understand this JPY index properly. If you are to zoom it out on this daily time frame, JPY index, we are on a bearish move. The price is dropping, right? The price has been dropping. Then it got to one period of time when this price started ranging. We saw it drop to this same level, then pushes up, came to this same level, pushes up, came to this same level. So price has been reacting at this top level. Reason why I highlighted it as our resistance level and I've highlighted this level below as our support level. So once price comes to our support level, then the next movement we see is to our resistance level. Then the price actually was ranging within that area. Then the price actually came and broke below the support level. Of course, once price break below support level, we expect price to come and test that same support level, right? So the price actually did that, even broke above it, and it actually went bullish. And guess what? It has come to our resistance level. Now after the resistance level, it has dropped to our support level. Now that it has dropped to our support level, what movement are we seeing next? Another bullish move again to our resistance level. So as long as this JPY index is giving us that bullish move to our JPY index, then we would see this drop, a bearish move on our GBP to JPY, by the way. So we will see that actually drop to take out this level here. So we should be able to take out this level on GBP JPY this week. We should be able to close bearish also this week on our GBP JPY. Also notice that once this price has dropped, there's every possibility that the pullback will occur here because price will react at a certain level. So do not be surprised when you see this pullback, which will give us a bullish move on Monday or Tuesday, by the way. We might see that bullish move on Monday and Tuesday before price will drop. We all know that price reacts at a certain level, right? So we have gotten to a certain level where price has been reacting multiple times. We can see that price has rejected here multiple times. So there can't be a pullback around this area before price drops. We can also see that same level. So once we are having a pullback on this GBPJPY, that pullback will be a bullish move, right? If you have to take a look at this JPY index properly, you can see that price has once reacted at this level here. So once this price has gone bullish, right, we should expect a pullback here before a continuous bullish move. So once this pullback is giving us a bearish move on JPY index, then we should see a pullback on our GBPJPY, which will give us a bullish move. Then once this JPY index starts going bullish again to our resistance, then we will continue to see that drop on our GBPJPY. So watch out for it this week. Very much likely to drop to take out these lows on our GBPJPY.